There's a reason this home stands out in Miller Ranch, and it's not just one thing. When the current homeowners were building this house, they didn't really skimp on the upgrades, and that's something you can feel as you walk through. The layout just works. Everything downstairs flows the way you want it to, and nothing feels forced. And then upstairs, it's where it really starts to separate itself. All the bedrooms are up here, and so is the laundry room, which makes life so much easier. Once you experience this, you're never gonna wanna go back. But honestly, this is the reason. This lot is significantly larger than what you typically see in the neighborhood, and it gives you space you can actually use. And location-wise, you're in a really convenient spot. Easy access to I-10, so getting to downtown, the airport, or over to Randolph or Bamsey is a piece of cake. So if you're looking for something that feels a little bit different from everything else you've seen, this might be the one.